Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the owner of Spanish for Kiddos, and today I want to welcome you to this wonderful bilingual story in English and Spanish, Farm Animals a los Animales de la Granja. It's a great way for preschoolers to start learning about animals, and there are some other interactive activities within this slides as well, and towards the end I'll share a very special way that you can learn more about farm animals. So let's get started. Many animals live on the farm. Muchos animales viven en la granja. Let's see what those are. Sheep, oveja. Horse, caballo. Cat, gato. Cow, vaca. Dog, perro. Pig, cerdo. The cows eat grass. Yum. Jump, jump, jump. Las vacas comen pasto. Yum. Jump, 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 jump. How many cows do you see? Count them. ¿Cuántas vacas ves? Cuéntalas. You ready to count with me? 1, uno. 2, dos. 3, tres. 4, cuatro. 5, cinco. 6, seis. 7, siete. Quack, quack. The ducks walk along the field. Quack, quack. Los patos caminan por el campo. The hen and the rooster live on the farm too. La gallina y el gallo viven en la granja también. Do you see a horse? The horse is behind the fence. El caballo está detrás de la cerca. Do you see the pigs? There are 4 pigs at the farm. Count them. Hay 4 cerdos en la granja. Cuéntalos. 1, uno. 2, dos. 3, tres. 4, cuatro. The sheep have wool to keep warm. Las ovejas tienen lana para mantenerse cálidas. Let's go ahead and play a little game here of matching, emparejar. We see a sheep, cow, and a horse. Una oveja, una vaca y un caballo. Vamos a ver cómo lo emparejamos. Let's match. The cow is here, la vaca. The horse is here, el caballo. The sheep is here, la oveja. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this bilingual story in English and Spanish. And also make sure to scan the QR code. It takes you to play some fun educational interactive word games that you can do farm animals and some other fun activities as well. Thank you so much, and I hope you join me for another fun bilingual story. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.